Right, Foundation Fighting Blindness car wash. This nice gentleman just told us we're on Channel 10 News today. Advertising to come to this address for a car wash. It was awesome. It's awesome news. I'm so happy she did that. Thank you. I'll have to send her a thank you email.
No, what the?
What's the matter?
There's 2 sponges in here, baby.
There's 2. We got 4 buckets. It's gonna be enough.
4 buckets?
I'm gonna kick the bucket.
Yeah, you would.
I'm gonna kick you right now.
Go ahead.
No. Where's my... Yeah, right. Alright. No, I won't do that again. There's Lydia. Hey, Lydia! I don't own one. I can't drive. We'll take bicycles. It's Heather. Say hi, Ev. What'd you say? Mark. What, Mark?
I told Mark. Tell us what it's coming.
Yeah. Careful, I'm videoing. It's Heather, Mark, and Tim. Lydia's yelling for traffic. We've done a good job. People have been really satisfied. We're good car washers. Even the blind are good car washers because we feel. Missed the spot. No, just kidding. I'm kidding. I touched the car. Oh, it's been nice. It's been steady. It's nice to be out of breath. Or take donations! Come on, guys, talk. Make this a little entertaining. Come on.
We're working.
Working on the chain gang. Working at the car wash. Love how your wife puts a little flair in it at the end. $5!
Give me a fin and we'll wash your car.
$5! Foundation Fighting Blindness. Curing macular degeneration. And our vision problem that you never heard of, so that's why we say macular degeneration. Really getting in there. We've had a steady stream today so far. Get a little breezy. Lydia's over there. What's the matter? What's the matter, you?
What's the matter?
What's the matter? Tell me on camera. What's the matter?
Here I am, using a hose.
Hey, spray me down here. Don't get the camera. Spray me up here. Okay.
Jerry just...
You can come squirt me for $5 for 2 minutes. You can lay the fire hot nozzle on me for 2 minutes. $5. I'll pimp myself out. You can come soak me. Oh, she said car ride.
Yeah, car ride, $5.
It's a car ride. Yeah, we'll stay till 3 if we still get traffic.
Is that the Bill Barbara Watt?
Oh, yes, definitely. 4 years ago, actually, she did a story on us. Yeah. Yeah, she...
There.
Yeah.
They in between the other guys.
Frankie Coletta, yeah.
No,
but if you, I don't know if you're a computer guy or not,
Yeah.
but if you go on their website and you just type in the search field, twins, VisionWalk, you'll see the story she did with us 4 years ago. It shows us as twins, as babies, to our, and we talk, and because I asked her if she would do an update for our VisionWalk.
She's good. I like her.
No, I love it. When we met, we went to the health check, yeah.
Drive and all that other good stuff. No, I like her a lot.
Yeah, when we went to do that story, it was really cool because we'd really never been in a studio before. We went in the green room, and we brought our baby pictures that she used, and because we started the walk actually in 2011, first year she did it for us. So I said, can we do an update, because in 4 years they're making a lot of progress, and macular degeneration is already a treatment for the wet AMD form. People get an injection and they're getting their sight restored. I said, so I'm so happy. Thank you for telling us. So happy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Do you know what time that was about?
Yeah, it was on
like between 9 and 10? Was that their?
No. It was on between 6 and 7.
Really?
Yeah. I'm up at
a lot of people are up that time, and
I get up early. My wife and I. No, it was between. He comes on at 6 o'clock, and I was up by I'll give it exact time, between 6 and 6:45.
Wow, thank you.
It was Mario Hilario.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Really.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Are you a Red Sox fan?
Yeah.
You poor thing.
Yeah, thank you. You know, I hope you guys make at least the wild card.
I like the Patriots.
Yeah, there you go. I can't wait till next Sunday.
Robert Moss Silva's an Indianapolis Colts fan.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Colts fan. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a great weekend.
Or did I give it to you?
He gave it to you and you gave it to me. Remember, because you Yankee fan money.
Oh yeah.
And there he goes. Successful car wash. Bye, sir. Thank you. Woo! There we go. Between 6 and 6:45, he said.
Heather and I are gonna go hook on our corner.
Oh, okay.
I was on the corner for 2 hours. I got $8.
Yeah?
That's $4 an hour.
Face
I mean,
this way,
three.
out of the sun.
I mean $3. I mean 3 hours.
No, walk this way.
I mean 3 hours. I was out there. 3 hours. I was out there. Car wash. Car wash.
Yeah, Mark?
Car wash! Fighting the blindness!
Where's the poster?
Oh, we got one?
Lydia has it.
Oh.
The other one's in the car.
Hey, do me a favor, I'm going to stop this.